Hey, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today is Friday, January 27th, and I have another Canva hack for you that I just learned. And so I'm going to share it with you. As many of you know, uh, I love Canva. I love Canva. So, hey, everybody, my name is Marty Angel, known as the Empowering Latina Coach, and I help the mujerpreneur, the bilingual, the BIPOC woman gain clarity and focus on who they serve so that they can up level from brick and mortar to click and order so they can rock their six figures. So in 2023, we're going to talk a lot about multiple streams of income. You're going to see my podcast here because that's a video cast. And I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about, creating the right systems. You have to have the right systems in place. I mean, because for example, one of my streams of income is network marketing. And I love it. And nobody recruited me. I went out and found it. I knew I had, my husband had given me a list. What you need to do, these are the things that you should have in place so that you can create multiple streams of income. Why? Now I'm going to get to the Canva part, but I want to give you the why. Why? Because when you have your eggs all in one basket and that gets pulled out from under you, got nothing left. Been there, done that. I had a six-figure income job, and luckily I had some side things happening and started to do that. I was in my late 40s, and all of a sudden the rug was pulled out from under me. I went from creating, an easy 10,000 a month through my job to zero from my job. So that was a rude awakening, wake-up call. So you need multiple streams of income. And as a mujerpreneur, you're going to need to really build out your systems. You're going to need to have, as I was sharing with you the example, you have a system in place. If you're a network marketer and you want to grow your business, well, that's great. But let's say you get 10 new customers today. How are you going to service them? Are you organized enough, focused enough to have everything ready to go in a spreadsheet? Do you have all your steps laid out from, how you're going to follow up with them? And if you have a team, if you're creating a team, do you have all the systems in place that you need in order to train that team so that you don't have to spend the time doing things for them? So think about that. If you're a mujerpreneur, I highly recommend that you really think about, do I have the systems in place to hit the ground running in 2023? All right, let's get to it. All right, so here we go. Canva. Now, as you guys know, I am an affiliate with Canva. I'm going to drop a link so that you can try Canva, Pro Canva, but Canva you can get for free. There are the pro features that are important for you, but if you're an entrepreneur, it's a great investment. If you're creating systems, it just keeps getting better, and I'm just dying to find out when they're going to drop, go public so that I can buy some stock in there. But anyway, so let's get to it. How do you create multiple, how we say batch content? Well, let me give you an example. For me, what I do is every Sunday I detach, I unplug, and I'm not on my phone except to text family, and that's it. I'm not on social media, although my posts will still go up. I'm not on social media, my posts will still go up. So what I do is I create quotes on Sunday, quotes that are meaningful. I want to make sure that I'm making an impact and provoking a thought process within your mind as a, Latina biz coach. That's what I do. I want to empower you. I want to make you self-coach yourself. I want to make you be more confident. I want to make you love yourself more. I want to make you way more successful. It is my purpose to work with the underserved, underprivileged, and underrepresented and help you get to that six-figure income. There's not enough of us out there making that six-figure income, and it can be possible, right? And so if you catch me as well on TikTok, I'm starting, the tapping there. Okay, so let's get to it. So here we go. So now I'm going to create some quotes using Canva. So follow me and let's share my screen. Boom. Okay, so here we go. All right, let's say I'm going to create some quotes. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to Canva, and you're going to create doc, right? It's going to take you to a doc, right? And once you're there, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this plus button, and you have to have a number in order for it to create 20, 20, 30, whatever you want. So for me, I want to make sure that I have, let's see, there's 4 Sundays in a month, maybe an extra Sunday. So 4 times 3 is 12. I want 3 months. So I'm going to go with, 20, and you're just going to write it there. So, oops. So sorry. Magic right, and here it is. Magic, click on magic right, and then right here. So 20 reasons you must have a system in place to train your team as a network marketer. Okay, so then I'm going to hit return. Very easy. And then it's going to start to create its magic. So it takes a little bit of time, but it's really important to have that patience. That's one of the things that we don't have as we move into more technologically savvy environment. We tend to really just forget about having patience. Okay, so here we go. Boom. Now let me change the font. So I'm going to highlight the font, and I'm going to change it to something a little more readable. So let's do Garrett. And this is 20 reasons you have a system in place to train your team. Okay, so now you got 20 reasons right here. Training your team ensures that everyone is on the same page and has the same goals. Training provides the opportunity, blah, blah, blah. So now let's say that, great, one of these is what I'm going to post as my quote for the next 20 weeks. I've got a quote now for the next 20 weeks. So what's the next step? After you create it, you copy, right? So you highlight everything, copy. You're going to come over here and you are going to create a Google sheet, okay? Sheet, not a doc, but a sheet, because you're going to download it as a CSV file. And you're just going to do a plus, and then you're going to highlight one side of it, and you're going to copy and paste. Bam, right? So I'm just going to name this test Canva network marketing. I'm just going to name it, whatever. This is only for you guys, right? Now what you're going to do is you're actually going to go over here and you're going to download it. Okay, so we want to download it, and you want to download it as a CSV file, comma separated values. Okay, so you're going to download it as a CSV file. I'm going to download it on my desktop. I'm going to put save. Okay, it's on save there, and now I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to go home. So here's where I was. I'm going to go home. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a design. So I'm going to create Instagram posts. So you clicked over there and you created Instagram posts. Now, here's the thing. You can actually either choose from your projects that you've created before, or you can just choose a new one. Let's say I want to choose this one, right? So you're just going to come over here and you're going to create something like this, right? UIG post. And then what's going to happen is you're going to just kind of copy that, but you're going to scroll all the way down over here. Oops, sorry. All the way down on the left-hand side, and you are going to click on apps. And you'll notice that over here it says styles, audio, videos, charts, and then you're going to click on bulk create. Okay? When you click on bulk create, it's going to bring up this dialog box right here. And you're going to say upload CSV. So we're going to upload the file that we just created. Okay, so we're going to put Canva AI sheet, AI topics, right? Okay, so here it is. So we're going to click on Test Canva Network Marketing. We're going to click Open. And the magic is going to happen over here, okay? So we want to make sure that the magic is going to happen over here. And so what's going to happen is we're going to go over here. We've highlighted this and see where it says Connect Data. So you're going to connect data. You're going to come over here and you're going to click on Training Your Team, right? And then what's going to happen is you're going to click Continue, and boom. Okay, so now all of these things, look at this. It created all of these things. And so what we're going to do is down here it says, do you want to generate 19 pages? And I'm going to click yes. So what it's doing now, this is where the magic happens. Every one of those was created right here. Okay, and it put it right in. Look at that. I just forgot to remove the... But each one of these is already there. So everything that it created, training provides the opportunity to introduce new products, services, and strategies to team members. Training helps team members develop their skill, competence, and knowledge. Training allows team members to ask questions and gain valuable insight into the business, and on and on and on. And so now you have... So I'm going to click over here where it says grid view, and here's my 19 pages. So let's say I want to move this guy over. So I can move this guy and let that be the first one, or move it over here. Want to wait for that the purple line to show up, and then it'll move it. You can move it, you can edit it, you can do whatever you want. You can check it out. If you click on one, then it's going to bring it up. So training is a great way to ensure team members are up to date with the changes in the industry, and so on. So voila. And now you're just going to download it. If you want to download it in bulk, great. You can download it, right? And you can download it and save them. And then, my friends, you can actually upload them into a scheduling app, right? A scheduling app, and pre-schedule them. And that's what I'm going to do this afternoon. Is I just learned this. So it's like, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule mine out for the next 3 months. And the beauty is that you can unschedule and you can move them around. I love Planoly. So, and you can see that you can also, I'll drop the link to the Canva Pro underneath this video, and I'll drop some other links that you may find useful. All right, guys, this is Marty Angel, Latina Biz Coach, with another fun episode about how to use Canva to help build your systems so that you can then begin to focus on what you do best. Train your team, or whatever it is, begin to build your systems and begin to navigate from 5 figures to 6 figures. And as always, if you found this valuable, please share the link. And if you are watching the replay, please drop me a comment, say replay, and I will send you the link to a freebie of mine. So tell me if you enjoyed this and what it is you want to learn for the next Canva. But anyway, this is really exciting. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And as always, have a great day. I am so incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. Beautiful Friday here in sunny San Diego, California. Have a great day. Namaste.